Don't miss this 2013 Chrysler 200. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a true blue pearl exterior. With 0 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.